Hi, this video is a demonstration of the callback service. This is a Nokia phone and we're actually currently in Greece. The numbers for callback have been pre-recorded. I've selected 1, let it ring for 5 seconds, then close the number and wait for the callback. Now this callback can take anything up to 10-15 seconds. And just to explain again, this is a Nokia phone with a local SIM card from Greece. Here's the callback. I select it. I'm going to increase the volume so you can hear the actual announcement.
Please enter the phone number you wish to reach.
Right, so we're asked to enter a phone number. I actually am going to enter 1000 hash, which is a balance inquiry. And then you would dial your number as normal, always remembering, of course, the international code. So that's it, how to make calls with the callback service.